guys, this is my first MSP video on this channel. And if you're new to this channel, I am Hazel and oh yeah, my cousin is Hazel. But I look like Hazel. We even get mixed up. So yeah. So I am new to YouTube, and my cousin Hazel, I love her. I love her so much. She helped me do this channel. Go subscribe to her too, Hazel OMJ. Okay. So, my name is Ashley, and I am 11 years old. I'm 11 and a half, because I'm being 11 in a month. In 2 weeks or a month. I don't know. Yeah, my birthday is in February the 19th. Well, it's gonna pass Valentine's Day. But guys, happy early Valentine's Day, and let's get right into this thing. So, we have an intro, guys. Yay! We have an intro. Oh, intro. Wait, no. Okay. Guys, I will be adding people, my friends. Okay, I'm gonna add a friend of mine called ABC. She's actually nice. She just created this account just to make people like, oh my gosh, I'm such a big fan of y'all. Okay, that's how we spell child. First of all, takes away the E. Second of all, Victoria, what are you doing? Please, just sorry, Victoria, please, Victoria. Oh. Okay. I only got 6 colors. I want this to be this. This is you only got 6 colors. I don't know the kick at how your kids did. I'm making everything this color so I can match, or maybe I can make it white. Yeah, this is good. I like this hair color. I might keep it, but let me see how this looks. I love these hairs so much. I wish I could just get pants. Ooh, that looks nice. This looks like Wenji's hair. Should I get it? But Wenji's hair is a little pink. So yeah, that is. Maybe I should make this blonde. Maybe. Oh no, that's too much. But I don't think it will suit me because dark lipstick, blue hair, red hair. I really want to see how red hair will look. Okay, it's look good, but too over the top, too much. Okay, guys, and I got a new PC computer. Well, I don't use my mouse. My mouse are annoying. Mouse. I don't eat mouse or anything except chicken or fish or okay. Listen, if I have black hair, how would it look like? I think it will look nice, actually. I'm just spending my whole 4 minutes here. I think I'm just gonna get the purple one. The one that looks perfect. Plain. This is my head. On the go with it. My stuff. Okay, this is one. Oh, that looks actually nice. Let's see my hairs. I have 3 hairs. Okay, 4. This one. Where's the one I got new? The new one. Did I receive that one? Guys, I had, oh my gosh. So they gave me 2 hairs. Wait, what? That's not fair. They gave me 2 hairs from the thing. It was one this, and one the Wengie hair, remember? I don't know why the Wengie hair didn't come. Am I blind or something? Am I not seeing or anything like? No, this is weird. Literally, because I actually got it, and then guys, I still couldn't find the Wengie head and where it went. But yeah, so let's do on activities. Okay, ooh, clay. Get those. Get them great. So all my videos is, okay, go check out YouTube on MSP. So we go on YouTube. Okay, let's search for, Edge. I thought there was a Dua Lipa covered by Miranda Sings. Oh.
In my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Rolling down and write it out, hoping you would see me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Out of my mind, too many times.
What? Okay, I done it. So, find a cool video and love it. I just did. Well, alright, a cool video. The first time getting one mouth. Okay, let's just love it. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Little do you know I'm go to a chat room. Social media. My love, he doesn't know me, so I to myself. Okay, if I get it, I have 135 points. 100 take away 50 will equal. Okay, let's. Actually, I really want these glasses. Out of my mind, wrote it down and read it up, hoping it save me. Too many times, my love, he didn't know me, so I to myself. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I to myself. One to pick up the phone, you don't know, calling it a triangle. Two, don't let me in, you had to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're like I was in bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting no lying. Got no rules, I got 'em. Rainbow, oh, not my style. I got no rules, I got 'em. I got no heart, so I keep pushing. Both body keep pulling me backwards. Hey guys, we have 5 more minutes until I need to end it. Guys, okay. 150, well, I want to jump 85, so that's going to be a little hard for me to buy. Well, I can get this and make those coins in it, but I keep pushing forward, but he keep pulling me backwards. Let's just go to the beach. Yeah, just the beach, because I click on the movie star. Well, there's no movie star, so I can click. Oh, okay. There they are. Woo! I'm just going to write me, even though I'm not even 16. Okay, I need to add this girl. She is pretty. I never learned. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Had enough. You need to have enough. Ashley Evans. Ooh, girl. You ain't had enough. Please subscribe. Ooh, okay, trend. I will be your friend. Please subscribe. Oh, I had enough. Tell you later what you had enough. When you need to have an oxen friends. How you 16? Okay, I'm not even 16, guys. I'm just playing with you. Hehehe. I will. Thanks. Thank you. Oh, I don't want to take control. I wish I had 5 more, guys. But we're doing great. 8 subscribers. YouTube subscriber count. Wait, I just need to close the door, guys. Yeah. So, yeah. Guys, I'm back. Just, ooh, girl, I will accept everyone. Okay. B again. Okay, go in the chat room. Again. I go to the beach. I go to the beach, you know that I got the beach, you know that money. You know that I got the money. You know that I got the owner money. I got the PC, I got the money. You got the money. Take the quiz, I got the money. I'm just involving. Can anyone give me clothes? Guys, say hi to YouTube. The Nile. You think?
Ugh.
Hey. Ooh, what am I doing with my head? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Waka waka